Hey everybody, Dana Stover here with the magic of somatic money. And yes, I've been gone for a little while again, and I've seen some of you poking around the edges going, does she have anything new out? And I do. I have been working so much on dialing the platform, boosting things, and I've got some news for you. So I've got 4 action items to share with you. The first one is free information, free starter kit information. So the thing you need to know about is I have gone in, so this is number 1, I have gone into my free starter kit and I have updated it, I have revamped it, I have gone more in depth, I've gotten a lot more specific, and I have insider information there that I have never shared before. So if you're interested at all in body-based money relationship and you want to begin to take a look at it, this is the way to do it. Go to my link tree or just my website, www.somaticmoney.com, and follow through and sign up for this free starter kit. It's right there. So that's number 1. Number 2, drum roll, is that I could not keep my paws off of the Somatic Money Oracle Deck. And you'll see the banner going across the screen. You'll see the old one going across. I'll have a number 1 on it. And that's the first edition. And then the second edition, I've been working on that. I went in, I created a new cover on it. I updated the information even more. I dialed in the blueprints. They're shuffled around a little bit. They're dialed in a little bit more. And some of the imaging is updated. So I took the deck to a whole other level for you guys. And as we speak, the printers are done printing. They're getting shipped out to me today, so I should have them by the end of this week or early next week. So what you want to know is that the first edition, I am putting that on special, and I'm going to be running some different specials with that, so pay attention with that coming up. And then the new edition deck, that's going to be coming out. That's what I'm going to be using here with the money messages for you guys. And I'm going to be running some special packages with that, so be paying attention. Then number 3, I have put together like a special workshop-y report for you guys that's titled, if your abundance practice isn't working, it might be because of ... I have identified 14 ways that your EQ money relationship might either break down with money blocks or break down with your abundance practice not working. And I have put together this whole other level of information. And I'm running the banner across the screen. You can see that. It's linked in my link tree. You can go check it out. Please go get that workshop report, because if you want to get involved with this work, that is a great entry point for you. Yes, it is paid. I've got the free kit. You can sign up for that. And then this is like next step paid information that you can pick up and begin to work with. So that's number 3. And then number 4, I have a few other items on tap for the spring. I'm not quite ready to start talking about them yet, but it does involve some very interesting new packages. And so I want you guys to begin to pay attention to the new packages that I've got on my e-commerce site. I'm beginning to release those. This is your ability to either directly work with me to get your body-based money relationship off the ground, or if you feel like you want to DIY it, I've totally got you covered there with some packages for your DIY beginning your body-based money relationship work. So I hope you're doing well out there and keeping it real, and I will be talking with you in the next video. Mwah.